Southeastern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenna, or 14 miles southwest of Spencer, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Stupid thing turn on.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenna, Staff Mills, Kenta, Harmony, Gay, and Danbyville. This includes Interstate 77 and West Virginia between mile markers 121 and 127. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service.
Bippity boppity! This includes Interstate 77 and West Virginia between mile markers 121 and 127. Back on Halo we go. Yeah, WSCW is messed up.